So how old was Valli? Who will tell me how old was Valli?
Ma'am, 8 years.
8 years. Very good. How did she pass her time every day?
By standing in the doorway.
Yes, by standing on the doorway. What did she notice when she stood there on the doorway? Only Bhumika is there to answer. What
Ma'am,
about
she
others?
always,
Samiksha and all?
ma'am, she always watch
Yes,
buses.
a bit louder. Harsh?
Ma'am, she always notice buses coming and going.
Okay, very good. What desire took place in her?
Ma'am, she wanted to ride in a
Ma'am, she
bus.
wanted to
Okay.
ride a bus.
How far was town from the village?
Ma'am,
How
6
far?
miles.
Very good, 6 miles. And what was the fare? One way,
Ma'am, 30 paise.
30 paisa. Very good. Now, she decided to travel by bus, but how did she gather the information, the details?
Ma'am, from the neighbors or the people
From the
standing
neighbors or the
outside.
people or from the passengers who got down, she used to listen to their conversations. Okay. Then she finally decided to take the bus at what time, beta?
Ma'am, around 1:45.
No, at 1 o'clock afternoon. Okay. And 1:45 the bus, she thought it would reach where it would reach the town and she would be back again by 2:45. Why she would uh, be sitting in the same bus, she won't get down, and in the same bus she would return back. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now put the date on the second part. Date written.
Yes, ma'am.
So, well, one fine spring day, the afternoon bus was just on the point of leaving the village and turning into the main highway when a small voice was heard shouting, stop the bus, and a tiny hand was raised commanding. Okay. So now what happens? She replans everything, and after a thorough replanning and after a thorough recalculation, finally she decided to ride ride on the bus, and uh, now she's standing there and she stops the bus. Okay. So bus as usual, it was on its route and it turned into the main highway. Okay, to go to the village. So as the bus took a turn, what happened? They heard, means the driver and the conductor heard a shouting voice of a small child who was commanding them, okay, who was asking them to stop the bus. The bus slowed down to a crawl, and the conductor, sticking his head out the door, said, "Hurry then." Okay, as usually when we stop the bus, what happens? The bus, it slows down. Similarly, this bus also it slowed down to a crawl. Okay, very slow speed it came to, and then finally the conductor, he took his head out, means he took himself out, and out of the door means he did not get off the bus, he just, okay, just looked outside, and this girl, this small child, she was standing there. He stopped the bus and asked her to hurry in. Tell whosoever it is to come quickly. It's me, shouted Wali. I'm the one who has to get on. Okay. और वो कहता भाई किसको आना है तो वली कहती है I am there. Okay. I will be going by bus. By now the bus had come to a stop and the conductor said, "Oh really? You don't say so." "Yes, I simply have to go to town," said Wali. When this small girl, she said that there's nobody else, only I want to go. Okay. The bus, it finally halted, it finally stopped, and it was hard for the conductor to believe that this little girl, she was about to travel all alone. and here's my money. She showed him some coins. Okay, to get it confirmed, उसको confirm करवाने के लिए, उसको believe करवाने के लिए, है ना, उसको बस फेयर हैंड ओवर करती है, कहती है, दिखाती है कि just look, I've got money. Okay, okay, but first you must get on the bus, said the conductor. Now the conductor did not take the coins from her hand. Instead, he asked her to get on the bus, and he stretched out a hand to help her. Never mind, she said, I can get on by myself. You don't have to help me. Now the conductor, thinking her to be a little child, it would be difficult for her to climb the bus. So he just offered her help. Okay, कि उसको help offer करी to climb up the bus. But as she was very responsible, maybe somewhat proud, she refused, and she just made it clear that without any help, she can board on the bus. She can board the bus. The conductor was a jolly sort, fond of joking. Okay, a very jolly natured, है ना, हंसी मजाक करने वाला खुश मिजाज इंसान था. Oh, please don't be angry with me, my fine madam, he said. Here, have a seat right up there in front. Okay, now the conductor, एक sarcastic remark भी उसने दिया और कहता, now come on madam, don't be angry. Okay, come on. Take a seat, be seated. Everybody move aside, please make way for madam. Okay. Now, he was a jolly natured man. He was sarcastic too. So he told all the passengers to make way for madam. Madam किसको बोला इस बच्ची को कि हटो हटो रास्ता दो मैडम को. It was the slack time of day, and then, yes, it was the slack time. What is the slack time? Non-working hours. Okay, when there is no rush. Got it? Maybe from 7, maybe from 8 to 11 o'clock. Those are the rush hours. Why? Because the people, they go to the jobs, to the business, है ना. और शाम को इवनिंग में होता है 5 to 8 or 5 to 7 we can say. लेकिन आफ्टरनून स्लैक आवर्स होते हैं, रश आवर्स नहीं होते हैं. ओके, रश नहीं होता उस समय. So it was the slack time of day, and there was only 6 or 7 passengers on the bus. They were all looking at Wali and laughing with the conductor. Okay, now they all were enjoying, a little girl traveling all alone by bus, and then two refuse, very arrogant type, okay, having lot of attitude in her. तो वो सब कंडक्टर के साथ वो भी हंस रहे थे. They looked at Wali. Wali was overcome with shyness, avoiding everyone's eyes. She walked quickly to an empty seat and sat down. Now, when everybody was laughing, it all made Wali shy, embarrassed, okay? And just to hide herself from those faces, she just hurried up to her seat and she sat there. May we start now, madam? The conductor asked, smiling. कंडक्टर बड़ा मुस्कुराते हुए कहता है कि मैडम, कैन वी स्टार्ट? Who is this Deepak Bansal? Deepak Bansal is he a student of class 10th? Bhumika, Harsh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So why
Yes,
has
ma'am.
he joined so late? Deepak Bansal. Deepak Bansal, I'm talking to you. Why have you joined so late? Now he will not answer. What
Sorry,
happened?
ma'am.
Huh? Sorry, doesn't make dead man
Nothing happened.
alive. What is the use of joining so late? You should be on time, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
कितना तो मिस हो गया आपका. 2 पैरास 3 पैरास मिस हो गए. चलिए, अब कंडक्टर कहता है, may we start now, madam? The conductor asked, smiling. Then he blew his whistle twice and the bus moved forward with a roar. Roar means with a voice, okay? It was a new bus. Its outside painted a gleaming white with some green stripes along the side. और फिर जैसा कि होता है कंडक्टर, he blew the whistle and the bus it moved forward. और वली she says बड़ी नई बस थी, एकदम चमकता हुआ, शाइनिंग वाइट कलर था जिसपे ग्रीन स्ट्रिप्स थी along the side. Inside the overhead bars shone like silver. Overhead bars, you got it? The rods, okay, there that are there, to hold. तो वो सब भी बिल्कुल चमक रही थी. Why? Because it was a new bus. Directly in front of Ali, above the windshield, there was a beautiful clock. The seats were soft and luxurious. Valley devoured everything with her eyes. Devouring means just reading, okay, absorbing. But when she started to look outside, she found her view cut off by a canvas blind that covered the lower part of her window. लेकिन जब उसने बाहर देखने की कोशिश करी तो देखा कि she was not able to take the whole view, okay, of the road, or maybe outside the bus she was not able to look. She was not able to take the complete or the whole view क्योंकि एक कैनवास क्या होता है बेटा, एक कपड़ा जो था, है ना, जो लोअर पार्ट ऑफ द विंडो को कवर कर रहा था, दैट वाज देयर. तो बच्ची, शी वाज अ स्मॉल चाइल्ड, शी कुडंट रीच, ओके, अप टू द विंडो, और शी वाज एट द एज ऑफ द विंडो ओनली. लेकिन वहां वो कपड़े की वजह से शी वाज नॉट एबल टू लुक आउटसाइड. So she stood up on the seat and peered over the blind. Okay, blind means वो जो partition लगा हुआ था ना कैनवास का. अब जब वो बच्ची देख नहीं पाई तो वो खड़ी हुई एंड शी स्टार्टेड लुकिंग आउटसाइड. The bus was now going along the bank of a canal. Now this thing you might have seen so many times when you also travel in the bus, when children, they are not able to see outside the bus. What do? They just stand, isn't it? Even we have seen
Yes,
many
ma'am.
times. Okay, either they sit on the lap of the parents or the elders, or if they are not there, or if they do not sit, what do? क्या करते हैं बच्चे, खड़े होके बाहर देखने लगते, right? Now
Yes,
the
ma'am.
bus was now going along the bank of a canal. The road was very narrow, okay, नहर के पास से जा रही थी, and the road, it was very narrow. On one side there was the canal, and beyond it palm trees, grassland, distant mountains, and the blue sky. Got it? Now it was a very narrow road. On one side, the canal, the water was flowing, and the other side, there were palm, tall trees, grassland was there, and mountains she could see, and the whole blue sky, nice scenery. On the other side was a deep ditch, and then acres and acres of green field. और अदर साइड पे क्या था, एक डिच बनी हुई थी, और फिर उसके बाद एकर्स एंड एकर्स, है ना, कई एकड़ क्या बना हुआ था, ग्रीन फील्ड्स. ग्रीन 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 as far as the eye could see. Means everywhere she could see greenery all around. Oh, it was so wonderful. Suddenly she was startled, means एकदम से चौंक जाती है, amazed, surprised by a voice. Listen, child, said the voice, you shouldn't stand like that. Sit down. Sitting down, she looked to see who had spoken. Okay, when she was busy, seeing the beauty outside, the canal, the water, the ditches, acres and acres of land, the palm trees, the mountains, the blue sky, she was enjoying the scenery. Suddenly, she was startled by a voice who was asking her to sit down. Okay, who was advising her not to stand like that. Now, when she sat down, she tried to look that who spoke. It was an elderly man who had honestly been concerned for her. Okay, who spoke? An elderly man, कोई बड़े से आदमी होंगे, बड़े बुजुर्ग से, okay, जिन्हें चिंता हुई इस बच्ची की, and इसलिए उन्होंने उसको एडवाइस करा, but she was annoyed by his attention, but she did not like it. Okay, उसको नहीं पसंद आया जो उन्होंने एल्डरली मैन ने कंसर्न शो करा. There's nobody here whose child, she said haughtily. I have paid my 30 paisa like everyone else. See now, in a very haughty manner, in a very proud manner, she answered. Yes, there's nobody here who's a child means she tried to say, I'm not a child, Like an elder, I paid my full fare of 30 paisa. The conductor chimed in. Chimed in means the conductor he interferes in. Oh, sir, but this is a very grown up madam. Okay. Conductor रुकता अरे sir किसको बोल रहे हैं? Okay, she's a very grown up madam. Do you think a mere girl could pay her own fare and travel to the city alone? Okay. Or conductor कहता है, sir, what do you think? A little girl, she can pay her fare, okay, and she can travel all alone to the city. No, she's a grown-up girl, not grown-up girl है वो. Wali shot an angry glance at the conductor and said, Wali को और गुस्सा आया, and she looked at the conductor and she spoke. I'm not a madam. Please remember that, and you have not yet given me my ticket. Okay. Again, in a very haughty manner, in a very proud manner, she told this conductor, listen, I'm not a madam, okay? And just remember it, मैं कोई madam नहीं हूँ. Until now, you have not given my ticket. I'll remember, the conductor said, mimicking her tone. Mimicked means he mimicked her tone. Same उसी की आवाज में tried to copy her and said, okay, I'll remember. Everyone laughed and gradually Wali too joined in the laughter. Okay. Now this time, everyone was enjoying this little girl's attitude and talks, whatever conversation she was having with the conductor. जैसे ही बोलता है उसको मिमिक करता है कंडक्टर उसको कॉपी करता है तो सब हंसने लगे and even Wali, she too laughed. The conductor punched her ticket and handed it to her. Conductor ne, as the conductors do, they had that punching machine with it. He punched her ticket and he gave it to Wali. Just sit back and make yourself comfortable. Why should you stand when you have paid for a seat? Okay. Or conductor कहता come on, sit on your seat, don't stand. You have paid for the seat, then don't stand. Okay. Because I want to, she answered, standing up again. But Wali again, a very proud reply. Okay, proudly she replied, that yes, because she wants to stand means she tried to say that she wanted to do whatever she was interested in doing whatever she wanted. But if you stand on the seat, you may fall and hurt yourself when the bus makes a sharp turn or hits a bump. That's why we want you to sit down. अब उसको समझाया जाता है कि भाई if you are going to stand on the seat, okay, you might fall, you may hurt yourself when the bus, it takes a very sharp turn, okay, और कोई बम से हिट होगी या कोई स्पीड ब्रेकर कुछ भी आएगा तो you are going to hit yourself, okay, and इसीलिए we want you to sit down, child. I'm not a child, I'll tell you, she said irritably. Okay, she got irritated. And she says, oh, I'm not a child, I'm 8 years old. Of course, how stupid of me, 8 years, my. Okay? और वो कहता है, oh God, of course, 8 years, मतलब बहुत बड़ी हो आप, 8 years की हो. The bus stopped. Some new passengers, they got into the bus and the conductor got busy for a time. Okay, up till now, conductor, he was having a good conversation with this little girl, and uske baad the bus stops, and this conductor again he got busy with the passenger. Afraid of losing her seat, Welly finally sat down. Now, Welly, when she notices that many conductors had boarded the bus, they got onto the bus. So what happened? उसको लगा कहीं मेरी सीट नहीं चली जाए इसलिए she sat down on the seat. Following beta,
Yes, ma'am.
an elderly woman came and sat beside her. Now what happens? And कोई elderly woman थी आई and she sat next to her. Are you all alone, dear? She asked Wali as the bus started again. Now, as many people, they have the habit of beginning with the conversation. Similarly, even this elderly woman, she began with the conversation. And when she saw a small child, who was there all alone on the window seat, Okay, so finally उससे पूछ ही लिया कि are you all alone? Wally found the man absolutely repulsive. Okay, means very repulsive. Sometimes you see the people and you don't like them, you know. So it also caused a strong disliking for that woman. Wally, she did not like that woman. Such big holes she had in her earlobes. Earlobes, you know, na? Okay, तो उसके बहुत बड़े बड़े holes थे उसमें, and such ugly earrings in them. Okay, and she was wearing ugly earrings, and she could smell the betel nut the woman was chewing. Betel nut समझते ना पान that she was chewing, and she see the betel juice that was threatening to slip over her lips at any moment. You might have seen people better when they chew this betel nuts, okay, betel leaves and all. What happens? The juice, you know, it spills out of the mouth from the corners of the lips, from the corners of the mouth, and that is a very ugly appearance they give. Okay, देखते हो ना कि पान कैसे बहता हुआ आ जाता है, तो वही उस औरत का हाल था, तो उसको अच्छा नहीं लगता वली को. Okay, और मनी मन सोचते हो, who could be so sociable with such person? How can I be socialized with such dirty woman? वो मनी मन सोचती. Following?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it's time. We'll
Yes,
continue
ma'am.
tomorrow. Better give it a revision, right? Revise it.